2010 to 2013 Chevy Silverado throttle body replacement. Let's start by removing those bolts here. That's the 8mm and 8mm on the other side. And let's pull it out. And for reference, the throttle body is located right in front of the engine at the intake manifold near the alternator. Also remove that PCV hose that goes to the side of the intake manifold, and now it is loose. And make sure you remove this push pin here. It is loose. This thing here, and it's out. I mean, you can just put it on the side so you can do the job. Here it is. So the throttle body is held by 40mm. Some are studs and not in studs, and some of them are just bolt. And before we do that, let's remove that security tab for the connector. For that, let's remove the connector, and you squeeze that black tab on top to remove it. It's loose. Alright, let's do this. Got it. All of them are loose. I got the nuts and bolts in that magnetic tray, and the throttle body should be coming out soon. There you go. And it's out. Don't forget to replace that gasket here. You need to remove it. I'll use the pick. Usually you can get away without changing it, but in that case I'll just replace it. The truck is old, so I might as well just replace it. Use the part number for the gasket and the part number for the throttle body. There's the throttle body. Let's put the gasket in place. Make sure it's seated all the way. Now that the gasket is fully seated, let's put the throttle body in. So the throttle body is in, and well, to put the bolts in. That's pretty much the reversal of throttle body is in. I'll finish tightening those bolts by hands. Not too hard, guys. So it is in. I'll put the intake tube in and the PCV hose. So after you install it, here is the procedure. If you don't have this the skin tool to calibrate the throttle body, here it is right here. That's the procedure. You let the engine idle for 3 minutes. The ACM will start to learn it, and turn it off for 60 seconds and let it run again, and the engine should be running pretty good. Here is the procedure. This one here, that whole line. Don't worry about the other one. Alright guys, thank you, bye bye. Subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.